Understanding, on the hook. A phrase explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into the interesting phrase, on the hook. This phrase is common in English, but it can be quite confusing for learners. So, let's break it down together. The phrase, on the hook, actually originates from a fishing analogy. Imagine a fish getting caught on a fishing hook. In this scenario, the fish is trapped and has no way to escape. This image helps to understand one of the core meanings of the phrase. In everyday English, on the hook is often used metaphorically. When someone says they are on the hook, it means they are obligated or responsible for something. It implies a sense of being unable to escape a duty or a commitment. For example, if your boss assigns you a big project and you agree to do it, you're on the hook for its completion. To better understand, let's look at some examples. 1. After promising to help, I'm now on the hook for organizing the entire event. 2. She's on the hook for the damage to the car since she was driving when it happened. 3. I can't go out this weekend. I'm on the hook for babysitting my little brother. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts, emphasizing responsibility or obligation. It's important not to confuse on the hook with being physically trapped or in danger. The phrase is mostly used in a figurative sense, related to responsibilities, not physical constraints. I hope this explanation clears up the meaning and usage of on the hook for you. Remember, it's all about being responsible for something, just like a fish caught on a hook can't escape. Keep practicing, and you'll master these phrases in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.